In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot forms to classify leads by persona, an essential tool for enhancing your marketing efforts and making sure that you're targeting the right audience. Let's get started. First things first, head over to HubSpot's homepage. If you're not familiar with HubSpot, it's a comprehensive platform that offers various tools to help your business grow. And in this session, we're focusing on using one of its key features to classify your leads. Once there, locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Accessing your HubSpot account is crucial because that's where all the magic happens. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. This is the dashboard where you can see an overview of all your activities and tools. From here, look for the Reporting section. Reporting is where you'll be able to analyze data and find insights into your audience, which is fundamental for classifying your leads accurately. Click on it and then proceed to select Reports. Reports are your go-to for detailed breakdowns of engagement and interactions, helping you make informed decisions. The next step is to click on Report, which will lead you to a list of available reports that you can utilize. Each report offers unique insights and understanding how each functions will benefit how you handle lead classification. Now, to customize this report to suit our needs, click on Customize. This option is where you have the flexibility to shape the report according to the specific data you're looking for, whether it's related to customer behavior, sales trends, or in our case, personas. In the customization screen, you'll see a search bar. Here, you type in persona. Personas are a way to divide your audience into segments based on shared characteristics. This step is pivotal as it helps in narrowing down the exact criteria that define your ideal customers. Upon typing persona, you will see an option to select persona. Click on it. This will apply the filter and show you data and insights categorized by persona types. By clicking on this, you're telling HubSpot to filter the information in a way that aligns with your target market's specific characteristics. And there you have it, a straightforward process to effectively classify your leads by persona using HubSpot forms. Implementing this correctly will undoubtedly sharpen your marketing strategies, ensuring that you're reaching out to the right segments with the right message. Remember, a well-defined audience is key to successful marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful videos to help leverage technology in growing your business.